So DeepSeek has recently released their new reasoning model, which is DeepSeek R1 Lite model. So this is actually an O1 preview, if you're not aware. So O1 is actually, all of these are actually the reasoning model. If you know, OpenAI also has a reasoning model, which is an O1. So, but this is actually transparent thought process in real time. This is something that OpenAI doesn't have. So it's an open source model. So before I actually bore you with anything like all this technical jargon, so let's just dive deep into the actual chatbot itself. So if you can access this DeepSeek model directly from chat.deepseek.com, and then you can simply just click on this deep thing. I haven't tried this model yet, so let's just try it ourselves. I have two scenarios for this model. So first one is actually testing actually a base 64 encode, and then second one is actually testing riddle. So base 64 encode, we will just convert a text into this. So let's just convert any text. Let's just take some text, maybe like let's just take this text and then convert this text into uh, this code. Perfect. And then let's just copy it. Please tell me what this text is all about. All right, so now you see this is actually difference between OpenAI's reasoning. So it has actually transparent reasoning. It is actually giving us proper like transparent text in here. So apparently it has wow, amazing. This is amazing. Apparently, like it has converted that this code, this base 64 encode, into none of these models actually could do this. I have tested on various other models. Most of these models actually failed. But yeah, I mean it has converted this text into a proper like the base code into the user text. Okay, so it has passed the first test. Let's try a new one. So new one is actually, let's try this riddle. Let's try few riddles. So riddle, you are in a race. Okay, when you pass the person in second place, what place you are in now? Okay, so let's just do that. Please help me to solve this riddle. All right, so let's see the answer first. So basically it is actually doing this reasoning first of all, which is amazing. This is a transparent reasoning. This is what we need. And so this is actually like going through all of the possible scenarios that can happen, and then it will actually give us an answer. So let's see how good this answer can be. So it should be second place, right? So let's see. Okay, so okay, the reasoning has gone a bit too detailed. I think it's in loop right now. Come on. Okay, when you pass person in second place in a row, you take their position. This means you are now in a second place. Perfect. So it has solved the first result. Let's just try another riddle. I'm actually loving it. So riddle: what invention lets you look right through a wall? Okay, so a window. Okay, this is a simple one. Okay, let's just try this one. What invention lets you look right through the walls? Let's see at the reasoning actually. Let's see at the reasoning of this one. So all right, so I have got the riddle here. You are right. You're in a race and you have passed the person in the second place. What place are you in now? Okay, let's see. From the first glance, it seems straightforward, but it feel like there's a trick to it. Let me. Okay, so in my race, I passed the person who is in second place. If I pass the person in second place, that means I was behind them before the right. Okay, so okay, perfect. Okay, so yeah, I mean it goes through all of these like step by step. Okay, so what inventors like you? Okay, fine. At first it might seem like it refers to something high tech, but it usually a play on word. The answer is window. Okay, all right. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Let's just try something difficult. Riddle. Go around all places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside. What am I? Okay, let's see this one. This one seems a bit tricky. Let's see this one. I really like playing this kind of riddle games. Okay, so it's trying this reasoning. All right, so I have got this. Okay, fine. I'm still not convinced. Let me try approach. Okay, so until here it was not convinced, and now the answer is a road. Okay, so in here the answer was a street. So it has tested, like it has guessed really well. Okay, cool. Let's just try another. The final, last riddle. Last riddle. What are the next three letters in sequence? OTF. Okay, and okay, the answer ENT. The letters are the first letters in the first one. Okay, this is a bit complicated. Let's just try this complicated. Let's just try this one. All right. By the way, you can actually have 50 messages with deep think in a day. Okay, so I'm not sure how to approach this kind of question. Let me. Okay, fine. Let's just search it on a new chat. That's strange. Please help me to solve this riddle. I didn't. Okay, so first of all, I didn't click on the deep think. So the sequence of letter you provided is based on the first place of the numbers. Numbers 1 through 7. O T T F. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it's ENT letters are is 8 9 and 10. 8 9 10 are next. Okay, so 8 9 and 10. Okay, so even without, we didn't like use this deep think for functionality, but still it like solved this riddle. So yeah, but it looks kind of like very intelligent model, and it will actually help us to solve a lot of maybe coding programming problems. We can actually create some sophisticated algorithms using this model. So it looked okay. It looked impressive. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I see you in next video. Bye bye.